Can anyone please confirm from online? Am I audible? Thank you so much. Okay. How are you guys? What about weekend? Miss your classes on weekend. You're expecting weekends also? Yeah, I'm fine. Practice. Okay. Yeah. Good morning, Shyam. Yeah, I'm fine, guys. Guys, please just remind me. I'm going to share you with mock interview, which was taken last Friday. I think Saturday, sorry. You just go through the recording. Okay. I have taken that. What next? Yes, please. Okay, just small recap. What are the main major advantages if you are using AWS cloud? Hmm? What? Why AWS compute cloud becoming a more popular? We have discussed so many points, right? What are those? Just recap. High availability, easy to use, scalability, low capital investment. Very good. Next, Navadip, you have raised your hand. Your concern, just update in this chart so that I can see. I'll respond. Okay, next, pay as you go. Very good, Sujit. Storage, yes. Next, Nagalakshmi, high availability. Very good. Abdul, flexibility. Next, security. Very good. Next, Navadeep and Tejashvi. So I'm also copying these links. If anyone asks in middle of the class, I will just share with you. Thank you so much, Shyam. Okay, any doubts from new joiners? Navadeep, Tejashvi, any doubts? What about others? We can start, right? Okay, thank you so much. Guys, in 10th class, we learn social studies, right? Everyone, right? Yes, please come in. I'm not sharing my screen. I'll share, Thank you so much. Okay. I just sharing my screen. What? Let me close these tabs. Okay. Okay. So one question to you. How many continents we have, guys? 7, right? Yes. 7. Yes, please come in. You joined today, na? Okay, please. 7 continents, right? Sir, is there any relation for AWS and to learn continents? I said no, but just for understanding. So we learn one advantage in the AWS. What is that? Globally distribution, right? We learn AWS is globally distributed. Like, for example, just for understanding only saying, sir, what is globally distribution? So you just assume this is AWS globally distributed in the world. Okay. AWS globally distributed. Let's suppose, guys, So if you are from UK, or if you are from US, if you are from Australia, so definitely the network is very, definitely you expect that network is very near to you, right? Let's suppose if there is Canada, but Canada there is no AWS network. You should connect nearby Canada. Is it not? Is it good? No, right? It's a cost matters, right? Definitely, if you are from Canada, or if you are from US, if you are from wherever, nearby network should be there from the AWS. Then only you are going to connect. But if you are in India, let's suppose India, there is no AWS network. So in nearby India, we have a China, we have a borders, we have, right? So in India, there is no network AWS. If the network is there in China, it's very difficult to connect from India to China, right? Definitely, we should maintain so many things to connect since there is no network in India. But AWS is distributed the network in India also. So in India, we have a Mumbai region, and recently Hyderabad also launched one region from AWS. So we have two regions in India. Let's suppose there is no regions. We don't have any option to connect in India people. So we have an option, but India there is no option. So you should connect nearby countries from India. So it's not good. So that's the reason AWS why becoming a more popular is nothing but AWS globally distributed. India there is a region, China, all countries AWS is already covered. Okay, except one continent, Antarctica. What is it, Antarctica? Antarctica form totally ice, right? That's the reason AWS is not spread. Okay. So we are learning 6 continents. AWS Global Infra. This is the heading for today class. Yes, satellites AWS is you're using. Yes. We can discuss today class all. AWS Global Infra. So you can consider this is the first class for AWS. No issue. Okay. AWS globally distributed all continents. All continents. Okay. AWS is distributed all continents. So those are, first one is North America. Second one, South America. Third one, Africa. Fourth one, Europe. Fifth one, Asia Pacific. వాయిస్ కట్ అయింది ఒకసారి. గైస్, వాట్ అబౌట్ నో? ఓకే. పవన్ క్లియర్ అయింది, ఓకేనా? ఓకే గైస్, సో ఇన్ ఆసియా పసిఫిక్, యూరప్, Africa, South America, North America. Okay. So one more thing is there, what? Antarctica. Okay. So no AWS here. Only ice is there in this. And Pacific Ocean is there only water, but they're just mentioned like, treating like a Asia Pacific, Asia, Australia is there. Okay. So they merged into here. Out of 7, we have learning here in the 6 only. Okay. So now I'm going to more focus here, Asia. Why the reason? Anyone? We are in Asia, right? Or Pacific? Or Africa? No, we are in India. India is there in Asia. Okay. North or south or east or west? Come on, social. South, right? Yeah. So India is there. Yes, India is there. They're in Asia. Clear? So we have a total 6 continents. Just for your understanding only, I'm saying this. No need to focus all here. Just we should understand we are in Asia. We are in Asia. Okay. Just focus on this thing. Any doubts? No, right? Okay. Now I'm talking about just, okay. So Asia. So in India, in Asia, India is there, right? In India, font size offline. Okay. Guys, this font size is enough. It's fine for everyone. Font size, is this fine? Do not increase. Okay. Guys, if you have any issue with font size, that audible things, just let me know here. Okay. Now I'm going to talk about India. So India, we have a region in AWS. Join today. Okay, please sit here. Okay guys, so I'm going to talking about India now. I'm taking you more slide here. Okay. Guys, please come in time. My focus is deviated if anyone come late. Okay, anyway. We have a total 33 regions, guys. Sorry, not in India, enter global. So those 33 regions distributed in all continents. Okay. Till now we have discussed 6 continents. Out of 6, only 5 continents AWS infra is there. We are very clear now. So out of 5 continents, AWS is providing total 33 regions. Sir, what is reason? We can discuss. First, we just focus on how many regions we have, how many available regions we have. In regions, what it will be there. In available regions, what it will be there. We can discuss clearly. First, just focus here. Out of 6 continents, in AWS is globally distributed 5 continents. Those are North America, South America, Asia, and Africa, Europe. Clear, right? So in all those continents, we have totally 33 regions. 33 regions. May you will get interview question sometimes. How many regions we have as of now? 33. May this number may increase next year. Okay. In this 33 regions, Hyderabad is only one region also newly launched. Okay. And 102 availability zones. Availability zones. Okay. Availability zones. We can discuss what is availability zones, what is reasons and everything. This is for just theory only. Okay. And 500 plus edge locations. 500 plus edge locations. Okay. 500 plus edge locations. Okay, 500 plus edge locations. Sir, what is region? What is available region? What is edge location? So edge locations we can discuss later. Okay, but we should more focus on the regions availability zones. Okay. Now is clear? Getting some noise. Jyoti, you are saying some noise. Lot of disturbance. My end is clear. What about now? Okay. Shyam, you there? Okay. Now, what about now, guys? Clear, right? Okay. Okay, leave it. So we have a 33 regions. My interview may ask this question: how many regions AWS is distributed? We have a 33 regions and 1 or 2 available regions, 500 plus edge locations. Okay. So now in India, out of 33 regions, in India, how many regions, guys? 2 regions. From India, we have a 2 regions. What are those? Online? What are those? Shyam, I just unmuted you. Little disturbances from your end. Hyderabad and Mumbai, right? Yes. In India, we have 2 regions. 2 regions. Mumbai. One is Mumbai. 2 is Hyderabad. Almost Hyderabad 99% work got done. They had to give the operations only. Okay. Clear, guys? Mumbai and Hyderabad. So every region, few codes are there. Mumbai code, Hyderabad, there is a code, and availability zones, we have a few codes. Based on the code only, we can work. Okay. Okay. What is the code for Mumbai? What is the code for Mumbai? What? AP South 1. Can anyone describe what is AP? AP is nothing but Asia Pacific, right? Right? We learn, see this here. We learn Asia Pacific, India is there. That's the reason I'm mentioning AP here. South, why? Why South? Guess it. What? Yes, we are in South. We are in the face of South, right? In the Asia Pacific. That's the reason South. Why one? One region. Clear? AP South one, Asia Pacific South one region. In Asia, South side, only one region is there. That is Mumbai. Clear? From this code? Huh. Can anyone frame if what is Hyderabad code? Yes. Can anyone frame? Yes, very good, Tejashvi. AP South 2. 2 is nothing but second region. Second region. Clear? Clear? Now, we are done region spot. Okay, we have a 33 regions. Out of 33, in India, we have a 2 regions. Okay. Okay, thank you. Hi guys, am I audible now? Okay. Sorry guys, some internal issue here with mic. I hope now is now clear, right? Okay. చెప్పు. ఇక్కడ ఉండాలా? Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys. So we have a total 33 regions. Looks like today day is not our day. Anyway, please be patient. Huh? Okay. So we have a 33 regions. Out of 33, India is sharing 2 regions, and inside regions we have a availability zones. Okay. What are those availability zones? So we discussed just now 102 availability zones we have. 102 availability zones we have. Okay. So in this 102 availability zones, India is sharing 6 availability zones. Okay. So each regions 3 availability zones are there in from India. Only from India. Okay. The codes of availability zone is AP South 1A. Next, AP South 1B. Next, AP South AP South 1B here. AP South 1C here. Clear? What about Hyderabad? Can anyone frame? Very good. Online. Just information from Shyam. If you have any just regarding fees, queries, just ping him. Okay. Okay. Very good. Very good, Ashwin. AP South 2A. AP South 2B. AP South 2C. Okay. Clear here? Okay. From this content, I'm going to draw one architecture. You can understand from that very clearly. Okay, till now we discuss, we have a 5 continents. One is for North America, one is South America, one is Africa, one is Europe, one is Asia Pacific. We are in Asia Pacific. So in South side, that's the reason AP South 1, AP South 2, like that the codes will come. Okay. Anyway, so in India, we are sharing 2 regions out of 33 regions. Okay. One is for Mumbai, one is for Hyderabad. In Mumbai, in region, we have a availability zones. How many availability zones we have? 3 availability zones. So out of 3, so sorry, so yes, 3 availability zones are, those are 1A, 1B, 1C. From Hyderabad, 2A, 2B, 2C. Just I'm drawing, just here I'm just writing a questions. How many regions we have in India? 2, right? 2, right? So how many availability zones? Nothing but AJets. Okay. How many AJets are there in India? 6. 6. Clear? Yes. Clear, everyone? Any doubts? Online, from online, offline, non-IT, career gap, IT. Any doubts? No doubts, right? Okay. Very good. This is very important. In interest may they ask, how many regions we have, how many available zones we have as of now. And India, how many regions? 2. It's updated to 2. Earlier is 1 only. Okay. Yes, availability zone, guys. AWS is not in Australia, sir. Who said yeah? AWS is there in Australia. Who said? AWS is there entire world, not in Australia. Clear till here now? Clear till here? Any doubts? You can ask any doubts. AWS is nothing but Amazon Web Service. Okay. It's distributed entire world. Not in Australia, not in America, not in Pakistan. It's entirely distributed entire globe. Clear? Don't confuse AWS is there in only India, AWS is there in only Australia, AWS is there in only Mumbai. Entirely distributed. Globally, we are talking, that's the reason I'm talking about continents. Now, just I'm going to draw one architecture for your understanding. You can easily understand now. So I'm going to draw every time architecture. So we are learning about here 3 layers of the architecture. As of now, 3 layers. The first layer is, this is very first layer. Whatever architecture you are going to draw, any architecture in AWS, even small thing also, this is the first layer for your understanding. Global layer. You just think it. Global layer. In global, how many continents we have? 6. But AWS is distributed 5. Okay. I should draw here 5 layers again inside 5 boxes, but not. I'm going to discuss only India. Okay. Now, how many regions we have in India? 2, right? Okay. I'm just drawing here. 1, 2. Clear? Just I'm giving naming. AP South 1. That is Mumbai. Clear? Next. AP South. AP is nothing but not Andhra Pradesh. Once again, I'm saying Hyderabad. Clear? Clear? Regions done, right? Next, availability zones. Where should I draw? Inside regions, clear? Okay. How many? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Clear? Okay, just I'm going to naming here. AP South 1A, 1B, 1C. Clear, guys? Here, AP South 2A, 2B, 2C. Clear? Clear till here? Now, question to everyone. From this architecture, try to form sentence. What is region? From this architecture, you can frame it. What is region? What is regions? Regions contains what? Huh? Did I say data center still no? Then why new thing is coming here? Guys, don't think much. Whatever I discuss, just let me know that only. We'll just move that parts. Okay, availability zone, data center, server, secret, everything we discuss. We are in the baby steps. This is the first class of AWS. Whatever we discussed till now, those are the very basics, high level basics. What is AWS? Why cloud is more popular? Something. Yes, very good. Regions contains what? Availability zones. This is the same thing I did right here. Regions contains availability zones. Okay, clear? Now question to you. Continents contains what? Continents contains regions, right? Right or not? That's the thing. And inside continents, regions are there. Inside regions, availability zones are there. Not only regions, availability zones also. Clear? Okay. Continents contains regions and agents. Clear? Yes, countries, whatever. So in this way, AWS is globally distributed. So we cover India level and availability zones level. Sir, one question. Abdul, edge locations I'm not going to discuss at this time. We need to understand technically. If I tell edge locations, may you confuse. But since you asked this question, definitely I'll discuss now. But not in low level, just for high level I'm going to discuss. Edge locations is nothing but cache locations. You know what is the cache? In system we have a cache, right? What is that? Anyone knows? What? Storage. What type of storage it is? Temporary storage, right? What is the necessity of cache in our laptops? I'm not going to discuss AWS, just laptop. We are using laptops, right? What is the main purpose of cache here? What? Anyone experienced people? Fast access. Please come. New join here. Okay. Duplicate storage. No. Browse history, little bit okay. Try to give. Okay. Very general we can discuss. To run the program, so many answers I'm getting. Guys, if you open one Instagram or Facebook in your laptops, you have given your credentials. Okay. You just forcefully close this page. Immediately next time you are opening again Insta. Do we need to give credentials again? No, right? Without giving credentials, automatically you are redirecting into that actual page in your page. Why? What is the reason in that? Did you observe anyone? First time you have given the credentials, after close that page immediately, again you're opening the same page. This time no need to give your credentials, automatically redirecting you into the respective page. What is the reason? Cache memory. Very good, Jitesh. The reason is cache memory. Inside our laptop, we have a cache storage. It's a temporary storage. Whatever you are going to open that recent pages, it's going to store into the history format. Okay, next time you're opening, cache can understand this guy is opening the same page. No need to go your request to actual server. It will get it from your computer storage memory. Right? It's not like GBs, it's MBs. It's going to store only recent activities only. If you open close now today and again tomorrow open, it won't open. The cache is clear. Whatever activities you are doing after so many activities you are going to do, it is replaced with the recent activities. Clear what I'm saying? The same activity, it will work edge locations also. Clear? So at this time, just remember edge locations. What is edge location? It's a temporary storage to get fast access. Technically, I can say improve latency. Okay, improve latency. If I discuss now, may you confuse, just leave that edge location term at this time. I know where can I discuss this topic. You clearly understand at that time. Okay. I have a clear route map. Okay. Don't worry, guys. Next, any doubts, anyone from this topic? No doubts. We know. Next, availability zones. So we discuss regions, availability zones. Availability zone contains what now? Leave it edge locations part from here. Availability zones contains what now? POPs. Very good. Servers. Servers are data centers. So many things we can understand. Now the same architecture I can draw in on-premises level, so that you can compare on-premises and cloud. You can easily understand. So just I'm not closing this topic. I'm coming from your way only. Just on-premises. TCS, one company is there. Whatever company you can just trade it here. So on-premise there is infrastructure, right? Leave about cloud. On-premises also infrastructure is there. They are maintaining everything. Okay. Okay. What is this line in on-premises? In this time, we are now need to discuss global regions. This is on-premises architecture now. What is this line? Very good. TCS office. Very good. You are in the sync now. TCS office. Okay. Inside office, we am talking about, sir, chairs are there. Sir, rooms are there. No. As a AWS engineer, what we can understand? Servers are there, right? Okay. Server rooms are there. Can I call data centers? Okay. So DCs. I will tell you what is data center. Guys, what is data center? What is data center? Which stores? Data. Next. Very good, Chandrasekhar. Group of servers. Data center is nothing but group of servers. Data centers are nothing but group of servers. Clear? So can I draw now? Wait. Okay. Just I'm removing this one. Guys, data centers, it's not for only one data center, right? Many data centers are there, right? On-premises also. So I'm just redrawing this one. Data center 1, data center 2. Clear? So inside data centers, again, servers are there. Servers. Clear? This is a structure in on-premises. Inside server, we already discussed, right? What are the components we have in the server? Okay, but generally applications we can discuss, right? So inside applications. Clear? This is on-prem architecture. Now again, I'm going to jump cloud. Very good. Application storage. Again, I'm going to jump here. You can compare with on-premises cloud now. Here, global is what here? Compare with on-premises, global is what? TCS, right? Right? Region is what here? You can consider data centers. Big data centers you can consider. Again, inside data center, servers are there in on-premises, but here availability zones are there. So in regions, no guys, sorry, global is not TCS. Global is not, you can consider TCS head office. You can consider TCS head office. And region is nothing but TCS Hyderabad office. Inside TCS Hyderabad office, data centers are there. Inside data centers, servers are there. Now in AWS global, next AWS regional, next AWS availability is nothing but data centers. Okay. So can I call availability zones are nothing but data centers? Clear? Inside availability zones, what it will be there now? Servers. Clear? Okay. I'm just mentioning here. Inside availability zones, servers. Now, very good point. We can understand from here. We are going to host servers in availability zones as of now. But so many things will come in the future. But as of now, for our understanding, global we have a regions we have a availability zones we have a servers. As of now we discuss. Clear till here? Okay. Our servers are there in the availability zones are there in the regions are there in the continents. This is the thing I'm saying. Inside servers, applications, app 1, applications. Now as a AWS engineer, our role is to create this server only. As of now, what we discuss. Creation of server. Creation of server. Okay. Creation of server. Now you tell me, every point you can remember once you jump into the practicals. Every point you should remember. Now you are going to create a server. What is your first task? You should have internet. You should have a laptop. I know these 2 points. Don't say. Next, what is your first priority? To create a server. I should enable regions, right? Where should you are going to create server? We should check availability zones regions, right? If you create a server, but the work is in Mumbai, if you create in UK, is it any use? So before creating the server, you should ensure where you are, which region you are, which availability zones you are. You should ensure. So I'm going to show you now, just for your understanding, where should we check regions and availability zones. So this is my AWS account. I will tell you everything, how to create account, how to log in, everything. Okay. This is very just, we are in the basics. See guys, I'm in AWS. If you can see the right, these are the regions. Clear? These are the regions. AP South 1, Asia Pacific, Mumbai. Sir, where is Hyderabad? You can check Hyderabad also there, but it's a grayed out. The reason is it's not at release in operations, right? So work is going on. So these are the regions. These are the regions. If I click Mumbai, I'm in now Mumbai region. I'm in now Mumbai region. Okay. If I click California, I'm in California region. Like that, we can change the regions. Where you want to create a server, you should check the region first. You just compare with architecture now again. See, why we need to check the region? See, as per our architecture, servers are there in the availability zones are there in the regions. That's the reason where the first layer is, I need to check region. The next layer is availability zone. After that only, I'm going to create a server. Clear? Yes. If you are not clear, one more time. Okay, I'm going to create a server. First, I should select region. Now leave about continents. We are in the India now. Okay, India region. Next, India region is Mumbai or Hyderabad. After that, I should check availability zones. After that only, I'm going to create a server. Clear till here? As of now, we discussed 2 points to create a server. Those are mandatory. Select regions available zone. Park aside now. Okay. Creation of server, we needed 2 steps. To create a server, we need a 7 or 8 steps. As of now, we learned 2 steps. We had to learn remaining 6 steps. We can discuss later. You tell me, guys, one question to everyone. Yes, Chandrasekhar, I will come to that point. Not now. Okay. That is comes under disaster recovery. I will discuss later. Okay. Okay. Next. So, guys, you tell me. Now, I'm going to create a server. Okay. I should select these 2 points after that server is created. Clear till here? Any doubts? Anyone? No, right? So our actual job is to create a server. So for your information, sir, we are only create the resource here. Do we need to develop anything? If you have a knowledge on to develop anything, coding something, you can learn, you can develop anything inside the server. But if you go for AWS administrator, if you go for AWS cloud engineer, our part is to create the servers, maintain up and running. Okay. If you're more interested to go with the developers, you will have a good knowledge on stack, Java, OpenStack, or Python, whatnot, React.js. If you have a knowledge on AWS, definitely you are the hotcakes in the market. Don't leave. Learn AWS also. Same thing. After learn AWS, you are fine with AWS. Then you learn DevOps or coding, Python. You have 2 options. If you want to move AWS DevOps engineer, you can learn DevOps. It's a very good platform to go from AWS to DevOps. Or no, you have already knowledge on Python, you learn AWS. You already know knowledge on the AWS, you learn Python. We have so many platforms we can go from here. This is the central hub to go anywhere. Sir, I don't know, sir. I don't know, sir. But I know database. You can go cloud database engineer. You will get so much of benefits. Cloud database engineer role. No, sir, I have a good knowledge and testing background. Yes, you can go learn all the services. You can test each services application. You have a good good content you can give into that. Okay, so that's the reason I'm saying everyone, please concentrate AWS. Nowadays, every software engineer at least know any one cloud. This is a mandatory, okay, service. Now I'm going to discuss. Okay, so till now don't have any doubts, right? No one. So here just write the approaches now. Approaches. How many approaches are there to create a resources? This is not related to what we discussed the topic. This is the related to just for our understanding how many approaches we have to create a servers, create a resources. Okay, approaches to create a resources in AWS or any cloud. So we are going to learn these many approaches. So as of now, we know, okay, we are going to create a server, right? So just I'm saying to create a resources. So many resources we can create. Server we can create, storage we can create, database we can create. So many things we can create in the AWS. So what are the approaches we have to create the resource? Everywhere there is approaches, right? I'm going to discuss. The first approach is console base. Console base. Console base is nothing but manual process. What I shown you, right? So this is the manual process. If I click EC2, so I can create EC2. This is the manual approach. Okay. Next approach. CLI approach. What is CLI? Command line interface. Non-ITs, don't worry. I will take care of everything. I will send you one interview. You can check that interview, how she performed with 15 years of career gap. Next approach, Python SDK. Like Boto 3 approach. Next, Terraform approach. And also cloud formation approach. Okay. So we are going to learn in this course these many approaches. Okay. So in console base, I'm going to show you more than 40 plus services, the regular useful services. So AWS offers 200 plus services, but no need to learn 200. Those are for categories for different roles: machine learning, automation, artificial intelligence. So every, AWS is given the 200 service for to learn all skills in the IT. But as a AWS engineer, we should focus on this 50 plus services. Those approaches are these approaches. Just now I discussed creation of server inside availability zone data centers. So the creation of servers we can do by using these 4 approaches. Sir, I don't know knowledge in Python. I will show you how to do that. Don't worry. I will show you from the scratch. You can easily do it. You can easily do it. Terraform approach is a very, as of now, hot cake in the market. DevOps, especially for DevOps, we can cover the Terraform 100%. But in the cloud itself, I'm going to show you as per the cloud perspective. Yes, software development kit. Clear till here? Okay, so I'm going to I'm stop the screen just for 1 minute. Okay. Let's go through this mock interview. Okay, which I was taken on Saturday with my student, previous batch student. I have taken for 8 members, yet to release for other interviews also. You just go through the recording. Okay, as I said, I will be taking you guys. Not audible now. Not audible. My voice is clear now. Okay. Till now I haven't talked anything. Okay. So just go through the mock interview. As a promise, I'm taking you guys from zeros to heroes, right? Just after see this recording, you can come to know everything. After 2 months, where you are, you can check with this link. Okay. Go through this, everyone, just for 20 minutes only. She performed not like beginner level. She performed like a advanced level, like 8 years experience person. In the 2 months, it's not at all possible. I know, but she did it. Okay. She has 15 years of career gap. See, I wantedly checked difficult areas in the cloud, but she did it. I haven't discussed anything before. At least I haven't discussed any topics. You can check with her. Okay. This is just recorded and share it right away. I haven't tried 1 or 2 or 3 times. I have taken into this 4th floor only. in 20 minutes. She did very nice job. So just go through the recording. You can understand everything. Okay. Clear till here? Okay. So tomorrow onwards, I'm going to discuss like security things, whatever the things. After that, we can understand, we can form a one big architecture. Everything we can mention here. Why availability zones, there is a distance from one availability. Why can't we make it as a one availability zone instead of 3 availability zones? We can discuss on everything. Clear till here? Please take a screenshots. I'll just giving here. Take a screenshots. First screenshot. So anyone has any doubts? So just after screenshots, I will answer your questions. I have seen a couple of questions. Guys, if you are a developer, AWS is a wonderful, you can add your skills into your resumes, AWS, definitely, you will get more package. 3 years experience is enough, right, in AWS to showcase. Done. Next slide. Everything we can learn from the architecture only. I'm not saying theory follows the same thing. I will give theory and architecture for better understanding. Okay, next slide. This is on premises. On-prem. Data centers, servers. DC, servers. So I will ask to admin team to share this recording to offline batch also. Your emails are there, right? Okay, I'll just request to share with this link to them. Next slide. These many approaches we are going to learn. So till now, we can understand we are creating a server. Same kind of, we are going to create so many resources in the AWS cloud. Storage resources, database resources, security, and many things we have. Okay. This is the last slide, right? Okay, done. Offline. So I'm going to capture all those, all the slides I will give you once it's done the basics. Okay. Okay. Now the questions. Anyone after complete this course, can we get for any certification? Naresh, can they give like course completion certification? If you need a official certification, you just go through the AWS certification. Sir, which job role we can expect after completing this course? Okay. I'm going to share you this content to you, not this one. PPTs. So this is the content. These are the certifications we need to go with that. And these are the roles. Sorry. These are the roles we can go with. These many roles. Next. Are you going to provide any? I think you newly joined. So I'm going to provide material for each service about regular notes. And I'm going to give you PPTs, including PPTs in the materials. and interview questions and tasks list. I have captured interview questions from my last 6 years experience. What I faced the interview questions, I have just captured one where. So those are more than 150 interview questions. You can go through the interview questions. That's fine to get a job. And before going with that interview questions, you should focus on the tasks list. How many tasks we need to perform from the AWS? We need to perform at least 200 plus tasks. I'm going to discuss here. After that, I will give the task list to you to perform in your own way. So every task I'm going to discuss here. After that, I will give you small task to you in your hands to do that. These are the content I'm going to provide. Next, any doubts? Anyone? I hope I answered all the questions, right? New batch demo classes. Okay. These links I'm sharing here. Just go through the recordings. If you join today only, we have covered 5 classes for only high level basics only. This is the first class for AWS global architecture. Okay. I hope everyone is clear, right? Continents is not regions. Inside continents, regions are there. Okay. Inside continents, countries are there, right? One continent, Asia, more than 20 plus countries are there. Inside countries, so we can spread under countries, regions. And we cannot call region as a country also. Maybe few countries, regions are not there. We cannot call region is equal to countries also. Under countries, regions are there. That's it. Under regions, available regions are there. Under available regions, servers are there. This is the clear picture. I will share you all the basics materials after done this material basics topic. On-premise is nothing but, see, I think you joined today only. On-premise is nothing but whoever maintain the server in their location, that is called on-premises. Right? Who are maintain those servers in their locations. If TCS is maintaining the servers, we can call on-premises. Their premises, they are maintaining the servers is nothing but on-premises. Cloud is nothing but, cloud is a remote location. Cloud is there in our India, Mumbai only. If you raise any request, the request will go to Mumbai only, not Hyderabad, not anywhere. We can cover all those things, don't worry. Ramakrishna, what is your doubt? This is new batch only, not old batch. So Mandar Kulkarni, I have answered your question with that roles I have shared here. Okay, guys, I have answered all the questions. No need to learn coding. See, I'm calling out like non-IT candidates. This course is sufficient for non-IT candidates also. Since non-IT, there is no background of coding, right? Even not about coding. There is no, they don't know what is server also. I'm going to teach what is server from the what is server also. Okay. Okay, guys, we can wind up this call. Time already is 8:50. So if you have any questions, only AWS is fine to get a job. This is very clear. Don't think, may your friend is saying coding is required. Your friend, first of all, your friend don't know the clear picture about AWS. You can think like that. Okay. I'm only AWS engineer. I have joined as AWS engineer. I don't have coding knowledge before. After that one, I learned DevOps. After that one, I learned coding. Okay. This is first to enter in any software industry, to get a job, only AWS is fine. Only this content is fine. That's the reason. See, that's the reason I'm going to cover these approaches. Maybe, see, I'm not commenting anyone. Other trainers only tell these 2 things only. If you can go and check. If you can go anywhere and check. Console and CL, no one is check. You can check anywhere. No one can discuss this topic for AWS especially. And no one will discuss Terraform in AWS. These 2. But in interviews, along with these 2 contents, these approaches also they're asking nowadays. That's the reason I have added here. Okay. You can go through the interview. You can understand what level I have covered Python and Terraform also. But Terraform covered only for just 20% in this AWS. In the DevOps, I'm going to cover 100%. Okay. My DevOps batch is going to start first week of the next month. If you want to learn DevOps after AWS, which role is AWS DevOps engineer? But the AWS DevOps is a different. AWS plus DevOps is a different, guys. AWS plus DevOps, you can apply AWS roles, DevOps roles. It's a multi-role. But AWS DevOps only fit for DevOps, not AWS.